If you're about to buy a dash cam in 2026, stop right there because most people are overpaying without even knowing it. Right now on Amazon, some of the best-selling and most trusted dash cams are available with massive flash deals, with discounts going up to 60% off. In this video, I've selected the top dash cams based on real sales data, image quality, night performance, reliability, and price to performance value. Before you spend your money, watch this and don't overpay. Our sixth product is the 70 Mala Dashcam M310, a budget-friendly yet smart dash camera for everyday drivers. It records in 1296p QHD resolution and connects easily to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and the mobile app. With night vision WDR, parking monitoring, and time-lapse recording, it offers impressive features at a low price. It's currently 37% off, dropping from $59.99 to just $37. Our fifth product is the Garmin Dashcam Mini 3, a compact and discreet dash cam from one of the most trusted brands in navigation. It records in 1080p HD and features voice control, automatic incident detection, and a built-in polarizer to reduce glare. Its small size makes it almost invisible on your windshield while still delivering reliable performance. It's now 44% off, dropping from $179 to $100.98 to $100. Our fourth product is the TERUNSOUl 4K plus 4K dashcam, offering outstanding value with front and rear 4K recording. It includes a free 128GB memory card, built-in GPS, and fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi for smooth video transfers. The 3-inch IPS screen, 170-degree wide angle, and 24-hour parking mode make it a very complete package. It's currently 48% off, dropping from $209.99 to $109.98. Our third product is the VIOFO A229 Plus, a premium dual-channel dashcam designed for serious drivers. It features dual Starvis 2 sensors and records in 1440p resolution on both the front and rear cameras with HDR support. Voice control, ultra-precise GPS, and fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi make it a high-end option for maximum reliability. Right now, it's on a 53% flash deal, dropping from $399 to $189 to $189. Link is in the description. Our second product is the REDTIGER 4K Dashcam, powered by the advanced Starvis 2 sensor for excellent image quality. It supports front and rear recording, built-in GPS, and ultra-fast 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi with download speeds up to 20 megabytes per second. The 170-degree wide-angle lens and WDR night vision make it perfect for all driving conditions. It's now 57% off, dropping from $299 to just $129. You'll find the link below. Our first product is the ROVE R2 4K dash cam, one of the most popular and trusted 4K dash cameras on Amazon. It records in ultra-sharp 2160p resolution and comes with built-in Wi-Fi 6 and GPS for fast transfers and accurate route tracking. With WDR night vision and a wide 150-degree viewing angle, it captures clear footage day and night. Right now, it's on a huge 63% flash deal, dropping from $199 to $99 to just $74.99. The link is in the description below.
That's it for today's Amazon deals. All product links are right below. If you want more crazy discounts like these, make sure to subscribe. New deal videos every day. Don't miss the next one.